Okay, so here we are again in another video, and today, as always, we're gonna start with the DX. Why? I'm a little bit tired, but I'm gonna try to explain a little bit my day. So today was a tricky day um, because there were like opportunities and not opportunities, and it was all day like this. But in the end, I think I did well, and I followed my rules and my plan, of course. So let's see what happened. First of all, we had the DXY with this round liquidity in H1 here. This round liquidity in H1 here that took this round liquidity in H1 that took the previous daily high. So we had two round liquidities on the higher time frame here. And well, I was waiting for a reaction to look for sells on the USD pairs, and then to look for buys on the other pairs. Okay, so first part of all, EU. So EU fucked a little bit with me as we had like rounding within each one here, previous daily low. We had this reaction here, taking relevant liquidity in each one, and well, the other one is here that it was already taken. So I wasn't really looking for sales in this case. Then it went down to take this round liquidity in each one, creating equal lows with the previous weekly low and round liquidity in each one, and then taking the other round liquidity in each one. So I was looking for buys in this case. Here I couldn't find buys because there was no structural high to create a break obstructor, so I had to wait for this low to be taken. And well, it was never taken, so low 21, and in this case here 23. So yeah, I had no trade opportunity, and then we took the trade within H1 out of timing, close to the ATR here and close to this ATR. So it went from ATR to ATR, but not as I liked. GU, I was looking for buys too. We had this previous daily low, round liquidity H1 and previous weekly low. We had this huge movement to the downside this morning, and we had round liquidity in 5 here. I was waiting for this, like I could have looked for a trade here, but as you can see, the break obstructor should have been here, and I don't usually trade if there's no clear break obstructor, like visual break obstructor. And then we took the round liquidity in M5 here. In the end, we took this one here, and well, of course, this is round liquidity on M5, if you want to say it like that. So yeah, round liquidity on M5 here, break obstructor, and movement to the upside. In this case, we touched the ATR to the downside, and well, it was close to the upside. Okay. USD JPY. Well, today on USD JPY, where well, we had nothing like yesterday more or less. So we took the previous daily high and round liquidity on H1 to the downside, and it stayed all the day ranging here. So nothing for me. Oh, sorry. USD CHF. In this case, we had the breakout started down here. We have previous weekly high up here. Round liquidity H1 that took the breakout starter here. Previous daily high. And in this case here we had only the previous daily low because we have no break here. And well, in the end it never took, well, none of them. And finally USD CAD, it was the clearer one apart from GU or EU, in which we took previous weekly high, previous daily high. So I was looking for well, for sells. So in this case, we took the round liquidity in M5 here, so I had to wait for relevant liquidity on 5 to be created. In this case, we had this break obstructor to the downside. No proper confirmation here because my first trade would have been here. Okay, so we had the break obstructor, and here I would have had my break, no confirmation. Then it moved down, taking this liquidity here, well, this break here, and I don't want to trade here. So I think I did properly because I don't usually re-enter after the continuation, after this low being taken, as I count with this move to take break-even and partials. So I think I did properly. Then we took this round liquidity on 5. So this round liquidity on 5 too. We had this break obstructor to the downside. No trade for me as we had this bearish candle. For me, it means that there are sellers entering. So of course it was perfect, understood. We took the round liquidity on 5 again. Move to the upside, break obstructor out of timing here. So I was waiting for the mitigation. These candles are clean. There's nothing relevant, like this round liquidity on 5 could have been taken, but it's all mitigated to the upside. So for me, there's no reason for this to be taken really. And well, here. And well, I was waiting for the mitigation. I wanted to trade here, but I was at work. But as you can see, we have no proper confirmation because this candle finishes bullish. But well, of course, it would, if we will have it, we would have it. I think I would have traded something like this. Okay. To cover the round liquidity on 5 in case we go there and take it, maybe a little bit more high, but yeah, something like this, but no trade for me, of course. And then we took all the round liquidity on 5, and now it is creating liquidity above the round liquidity on each one. We didn't take the ATR here in this case, but well, the other one is here, so yeah, it's okay. So well, I hope you like it, and of course, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.